Welcome or welcome back to WatchAdvisor on YouTube. It's Alexander speaking, your host. This is what you normally hear when I start a video, but today it's not about presenting you a new watch or bringing you to a manufacturer. It's about saying thank you. Thank you to the best audience in the world. You are, I can't find words. It's about saying to you, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and of course, a Happy New Year. And if you're wondering now if this video is sponsored by H. Moser, it's not. It was my Christmas gift. I got a pullover and a woolen cap from Edouard Mélan, the CEO of H. Moser. And I think this is such a nice Christmas present that I thought I'd come into the camera with it and show it to you. So, Edouard, if you hear me, thank you very much. So what you will see in this video is a masterpiece from Jorge, our cameraman and editor. We have been putting together some sequences, plenty of stuff put together. And it's a funny video. It's a short video. It's a way how we want to say thank you to you for being the best audience in the world. That's what you are. Thank you so much. Enjoy the video. Have a wonderful, peaceful time now. Let's get a little bit down to earth, relax, have some nice hours, minutes, seconds, days with family, friends. Enjoy life. Thank you very much. An Italian and Austrian are going to present you a Longines novelty that is simply stunning, I can tell you.
I will take you through the making of the Tonde APF and micro rotor case, which is this beautiful case. Sandblast the surface, and by doing this, all the tensions are released in a uniform way, in an homogeneous way, and the dial is again flat.
Let's call it a massage.
It's a massage! Now you're relaxed. The tension is out.
We're going to relax the dial.
I am in Geneva at Watches and Wonders, and what you see here is the section that looks like Baselworld, but it is not Baselworld. I am going to take you for a little tour here and to show you what Watches and Wonders looks like in the year 2022. We are both in London, and believe it or not, we are going to show you watches that are exposed here at the Oak Collection. And Geoffrey, I don't think I say too much if I say these are watches you normally never see.
Yeah, this is definitely a one-of-a-kind experience for all watch lovers around the world.
With me is Fred Mandelbaum. Fred, very warm welcome.
Pleasure to meet you.
He is a huge chronograph collector, wristwatch collector and historian, and I dare to say he is the man who has the most knowledge about historical Breitling watches and maybe is also the biggest Breitling historical watch collector.
I think you can safely say that, yes.
Okay, I dared to do it.
Yeah.
So what primarily looks simple because it's thin and looking simple is very complicated, much more complicated than to make a big fat whatsoever movement. Oh my goodness, what is this? What's happening? Sounds like a fire alarm here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. No. I know it is. They have been announcing it. I know it is a test. We will now have to leave in a ordered way the building and all gather outside. And you see, so the small second hand is swiping over the dial. And I will position it like this. It's okay, Fred? What?
Oh, well, you've done it.
What?
Oh, well, you've done it.
What?
Oh, well, you've done it.
My name is Jakob. I'm from Denmark, and I'm the lucky winner of a trip to IWC and JLC here in Switzerland.
Yeah, hello, my name is Sebastian. I'm from Germany, and I'm also a happy participant of the WatchAdvisor manufacturer tour in 2022.
And I'm really happy to have been part of this amazing lifetime experience that I will keep thinking about for the years to come. Thank you so much, guys.
We are standing on the roof of the Panerai manufacturer here in Neuchâtel. Jean-Marc invited us to film here.
You are the very first one to come on the roof because very few people for security reasons come here. However, the visit you're going to have now is something that any other can do.
Today I'm welcoming you from the Vallée de Joux, to be precise from Le Sentier. And where are we? It's written here behind. We are filming at Bulgaria today, and the purpose of this video is to show you how these ultra thin watches are manufactured. We on WatchAdvisor, we come back in January with lots of new stuff. Stay tuned on our channel, subscribe our channel, hit the bell to get all the notifications, and do recommend us. Thanks again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year from me, Alexander. Bye-bye.
Oh, didn't see you there. I'm Jorge, your cameraman and editor. I want to use this opportunity to thank you for supporting us this year, and I wish you happy holidays. Enjoy your loved ones, stay safe and healthy. Thank you for your support, and see you next year. Now I gotta get back to finishing the video you're just watching. Bye.